It's animal cruelty, the fuck? I have 5 dogs. I'm not gonna eat them. But they said, guys, the meat of the dogs are hot. But I think I remember before when I was in the province, I ate dog meat because I didn't know that it was a dog meat. I just realized after. Haha, maybe you have hour tomorrow. I do. But anyway, what I said is that I eat liver. Thank you, Wabi. I eat liver, intestine, brains, eyes. What else? The is called Chinese food. You eat bat? You eat Batman, huh? Dogs. Hoy, go. Not dogs. Shut up. We eat everything. Really? I don't think so. Americans are picky. I know that. Americans are very picky. Chinese restaurants. You guys only eat hamburger and fries. And hot dog. And steak. We are, but how the fuck you know what we eating? Because you're a rabbit, duh, bitch. You only eat carrot. Chinese food. I do love Chinese food. I love Chinese food too. It tastes, delicioso. Delicioso, mi amigo, mi amor, hombre. Arigato gozaimasu. Hamburger is made of humans. That's why we love them. No. We or you only? Hey, Opa, do you love Do you love hamburger? What about you, Luis? Do you love hamburger? Made from human flesh. He's a cannibal. Cannibalism. I love Asian food. Yeah, especially Filipinas. Hamburgers are fire. Yeah, I know, right? I love hamburgers too. But made from rats. Bless! Hi, Bless! Good morning. Yummy Filipina. Yeah. Yummy Filipina. We don't know what meat is. We just eat them. Lo. Why do you do that? They are good though. Lo. You're scaring me right now. You're so scary. You're Jeffrey yun? Hammer. Eat my carrot, bitch. Wow. Thank you for the carrot. Thank you for the carrot. Thank you for the carrot. Thank you for the rabbit. Ano ba yan? Thank you. AI. Thank you for the rabbit. Eat my carrot ang putik. I'm guys. I'm an AI now. AI.